Hey everybody, today we're in a Jeep Wrangler JL model. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855431. First off, before we install it, there are a couple things we want to mention. One is that this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering right here. Now you want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second is make sure you install the mount onto the dashboard before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we can get started. Now this mount attaches right up here near the windshield. There's a seam between the top part of the dash and where it down meets the windshield down there. And the other part is it's just gonna fit over this lip right on the front. So we're gonna do the front side first, and that's this J-shaped angled edge. And we're gonna hook it around the underside of the dash and pull it back towards us so it hooks on. Then we're gonna grab the face and we're just gonna stretch it a little bit so it comes and fits over this lip here. There you go. Once it's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.